Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, one of the Saturdays in Jan, and after a 3-week break, I think I'm back to making clay. Me and my friend from office, she wants to make a chess set, and even I wanted to make a chess set for so long, and this gave me like, okay, chalo, she also wanted to make, I'm also gonna make. And another thing that I want to make is baking bread. I really want to learn how to make like sourdough or like my own bread, and eventually sometime soon when I have an oven and all that. But I think for starters, we're planning to make focaccia bread. And my friend Manu from upstairs has got an oven, so we're gonna go up to his place. I'm just like wedging the clay so I don't have to use his table and destroy his table because I have the plywood carcass here. I hope y'all are doing so well. This is a big chunky piece of clay. I hope y'all have a nice weekend and come make chess sets and bread with us. What a weird combination. But yes, Meena, you're in the video. Don't do that. Let's see her t-shirt first.
Okay.
What are we doing? Come, let's get that bread. Oh my god, what did you make?
I didn't make anything.
Oh, what is that?
Now. So this is a green chana that I was telling you about.
Okay.
We can just roast it and eat it like a snack.
Achha, okay, chill.
This is the yeast,
So many things here.
zucchini, red capsicum,
And cherry tomato.
cherry tomatoes.
Oh, nice.
Maida and this thing I'll call from Instamart. That's okay. Look at the spoon. Huh?
Oh god, what is that?
That's yeast.
What if it'll just come alive?
It is coming alive. That's exactly what we're trying to do. Hands up. It's closed on me. That's just how it is. It's rusted. That's done. And now we'll mix it together. And now one hand to those.
This is exactly how you make, where you need clay also.
Yeah, so we're doing all
We're just using different materials.
materials. One is edible, one is not. Okay. Now, all the dry ingredients have been taken off. Okay, so now that's into the food. Square one. I think I like this one better.
I like this one better. It looks much more like. So this putty actually makes the slab even
Yeah.
throughout when I'm rolling it out. You can remove whatever you want to put.
And then just do this.
And into the last 30 minutes now.
And then just
Ericsson.
Our babies! Oh my god, it's actually our babies.
can you hear that?
Oh my god. For the moment. Woohoo! What is trying to split? Oh my god!